So I'm just telling about these things because I feel that people who are moving in more advanced direction should start reading about this. Previously I didn't inserted these concepts because you are not able even because of the simplicity. I want to keep things simple, otherwise people find it really challenging. So that's the reason I didn't inserted this, but these are the very driving force towards how your program should be structured and what are the principles. Object oriented programming is one thing, these are just principles, but these are guidelines. Principles and guidelines. The principles are object oriented programming, but guidelines are this: solid simply means single responsibility principle. So if I just try to give an overview of this, means your class should not have too many things in itself, right? The way, you remember the way we have our test classes, we have a lot of methods in a single class. This is not advisable. Your class should have only one responsibility and should not have too many things presented, because you don't want your class to be having too many things. You should be properly identifying your segregation lines and divide them. Open close principle, this is what I just tried to explain. The class should be open for extension and closed for modification. That interface example I tried to explain previously. Okay. Liskov substitution principle, again something to do with inheritance. I won't go into deep in this, but something to do with the inheritance concept and how you should be doing the inheritance, which I previously said, if there is a relationship, then you should be using it. If there is no is a relationship, then you should not be inheriting just for the sake of reuse, right? So Liskov substitution really deals with that. It is little bit more complicated than that, but if you don't understand it, don't go into deep. It will confuse you further maybe. Interface segregation principle, as the name suggests, something to do with the interfaces. I will still not go into these two. Dependency inversion principle, this we have used, you remember, we used it in our Cucumber. When I said Cucumber dependency injection, this actually is dependent on this dependency inversion, so that you can pass the state and the new keyword you don't have to use. The framework should be getting an instance of any class which it is dependent on. Okay, so all the batch 9 people, if you're not getting so much sense out of it, don't worry, you forget about this. So this is one thing. Then we have KISS principle, basically principle, right? So you can understand this also, keep it simple stupid. So we normally use this principle basically for our framework. We did not wanted unnecessary cluttering present inside our design. We wanted things to be simple. Okay, we have 5 modules, page object model file separately, test model file separately. We kept things separately. So we basically use KISS principle, right? We kept it simple and we did not made it complicated. Okay, so you should all people who are advanced now should start reading about this. It will give you perspectives, basically, nothing else.
Okay.
Read about these things.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. So there was another question in chat. The theory part of interface abstract class is huge, so please provide notes. Okay, I can provide some PPTs basically. I'll provide some PPTs, but having said that, don't focus too much on notes. That's my advice to you. You should be doing some advanced readings, and I can give you some notes, but those notes you won't really need it if you practice it. Okay, and however, you can also there is quite a good material on Java over internet. I can provide you some good links as well. We have a PPT. I can share that to you. But that will mostly be theories and all, differences, abstract class interfaces and all. I would recommend not to go or worry too much about that theory. Okay, but of course, sometimes for better understanding, it's always good to have. So I will send it. I will send something to you, and if I could find, I have some list of good internet links as well from where I studied when I was learning Java. I will send those as well on the group itself. Okay, Yadnesh. Okay, and Ashutosh, you wanted to say something?
Yes, sir. The coming weekend means the Sunday I'm going to my hometown, so
Okay,
I'm not able
okay.
to join that.
Okay, okay. You're going to hometown. Okay. So will you be able to attend next classes or
Yeah, sure. Only the Sunday.
only Sunday? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Ashutosh. Okay, that's fine. So anyway, we are going to record that, so it's going to be useful. Sunday we had that ice breaking session. Okay, so you're skipping that, huh?
No, actually, I just want to say that can you arrange some other day at
Okay. Yeah,
classes?
yeah, yeah, yeah. We want everyone to be present there. So okay, we
Yeah, because I also want to attend the
okay,
classes.
okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. We plan that.
Thank you.
Okay, okay, cool. Okay, guys. Anything else?